The herd nears the river's edge. None wants to be the first to cross. But as numbers increase, pressure mounts on those at the front. Many wildebeest drown in the crush. The zebra hold back, and with good reason. These giant reptiles may not have eaten since this time last year. Perhaps the crocodiles will have taken their fill. The zebra can wait no longer. They must stay with the herd. The young foal must now swim for his life. He's struggling to keep up. The distractions last just long enough to enable him to reach his mother.